Well, hello everybody. So this is my Pearl grandfather clock. You might have seen this one before. Um, Today's video is about the quarter chimes. So we'll open the door here. Gotta be gentle with it. And then we'll just go through the quarters. So as you can see, it's a single chime clock, just a chime and silent on the switch. Has a Hermley movement with the Ergos chime rods, which is a little bit weird, but I have seen it before with other Pearl clocks. But anyway, we'll go through the chimes here. Here's the 15. Now to the half hour. And now for the hour, which is 12 o'clock. Beautiful chimes. A little bit of a backstory on this clock. So I purchased it on OfferUp for $60. This left weight here, the strike weight, was all the way up there. Now, I don't know how the original owner managed to wind it up like that, but it does happen. So I was able to fix it. Now it's working perfect. And as you can hear, the beat is pretty much perfect. But yeah, it's a beautiful clock. Pearl went out of business in 1988. They started making clocks in 1974. On the back, it does say Pearl grandfather clocks. I don't know if you can see that. There you go. It does say that, but Pearl didn't just make grandfather clocks. It made some wall clocks as well. I have seen them make 30-day wall clocks and some 8 days. But they were just some regular striking clocks, not just Westminster. Sorry about the shaky camera here. But yeah, we'll turn the clock back now. Since this is a Hermley movement, it is safe to turn back, so that's really nice. But I'm kind of disappointed it's not triple chime because, okay, this clock was called the Chelsea model. And there was an option where you can have a triple chime version of this clock and a fancier pendulum. But I'm happy with this either way. It's a very beautiful clock. I love hearing the chimes. Yeah, there's the name. And this is from 1978. It's pretty old. But anyway, hope you enjoyed this video. And hit that like and subscribe. For the people that are subscribed for my garage door videos, there will be a few more coming up. So stay tuned.